Looking for a smart digital multimeter that delivers accuracy without draining your wallet? In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 best smart digital multimeters of 2025 that offer great performance at unbeatable prices. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional electrician, or just someone who wants reliable tools at a low cost, our list covers high-quality options that won't break the bank. Stay tuned to find the perfect balance between precision, durability, and affordability. At number 5. GVDA Professional Digital Multimeter. This smart multimeter is a powerhouse of precision and convenience, featuring a vibrant VA color HD LCD display with 9,999 counts for crystal clear readings. It offers true RMS accuracy, auto/manual ranging, and a wide range of functions including voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, and more. With built-in flashlight, auto jack detection, NCV, live wire detection, and rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, it's perfect for any job site. Safety is top tier with Cat 4 600V protection, dual fuses, and overload alerts. At number 4. UNI-T UT89 XUT89 XD Multimeter. A pro-grade digital multimeter built for serious performance and safety. With true RMS accuracy, it handles up to 1000 V and 20 AC, DC, plus resistance, capacitance, frequency, and more. Its dual-range NCV quickly detects live and neutral wires, backed by visual and audible alarms. Whether you're in a dark workspace or on-site, the built-in flashlight, auto backlight, and rugged 1-meter drop-proof design keep you covered. Packed with features like LED testing and temp measurement, this is a reliable multi-tool every electrician needs, at a price that's hard to beat. At number 3. Sunshine DT17N Auto Range. Looking for a smart, safe, and budget-friendly multimeter? This true RMS auto-ranging digital multimeter has you covered. It features a clear 5,999 count LCD display with backlight, perfect for dark environments, and automatic polarity and temperature testing up to 1000 degrees Celsius. With built-in high-voltage alarm and induction electroprobe function, it identifies measurements instantly, no manual adjustments needed. Compact, accurate, and RoHS certified, it's ideal for DIYers and electricians who want reliable performance at an affordable price. At number 2. NJTY T58B T58C Digital Multimeter. This multimeter is a game-changer for both beginners and pros. With 9,999 count HD backlit display, it auto-lights in the dark and even turns red during high-voltage warnings. The smart LED jack indicator tells you exactly where to plug your leads, no guesswork, no mistakes. It measures inductance, voltage, current, and more with high accuracy, plus dual data display for efficiency. With a built-in spare fuse, silicone protective case, and smart features, this is safety, precision, and ease, all in one budget-friendly tool. At number 1. ANENG and 870 Smart Multimeter. Looking for a budget-friendly multimeter packed with pro-grade features? The ANENG and 870 delivers serious performance with its 19,999 count bright LCD, true RMS accuracy, and auto/manual ranging. It measures everything: voltage, current, resistance, frequency, capacitance, you name it. Built-in dual fuses, smart anti-burn tech, and silicone protection make it both safe and durable. Plus, it has a backlit screen, hanging hook, and foldable stand for hands-free use. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, this smart multimeter gives you precision and reliability without breaking the bank.